Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a great car for you, 1964 Impala, real super sport, factory silver inside, 327 with the 300 horse motor, 4-speed trans, power steering, power brakes, California car. It's a sweetheart. I drove this car home. I'm telling you, it's one of the, out of every 100 cars, you get the one that is exceptional. This is one of those right here. Visit volocars.com and you can read all the specs, study the pictures, get the price, not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars that are all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new videos are posted. Right now, let's go for a spin in this 4-speed Super Sport. Yeah, you get certain cars, I mean, look at it, just functions like new. I drove it home and it shifts through the gears. You can put 2 fingers on it and shift through the gears. It accelerates, it stops, it rides so nice. Windows roll up and down like a hot knife through butter. LED interior lights. At night you open the door, it just lights up bright white. Just a nice car. Underneath the car is all clean. I have a picture of the whole front clip off the car during the restoration. Really interesting. I'll show you in a minute, I have the original registration. It was a California car, and the license plate stays with the car in California. But the license plate number, it's on the front. There's a black plate, California plate, and that license plate number matches the original registration. That's the plate that went on this car originally. I thought that was neat. I just learned that. Anyway, the exterior of the car is beautiful. It's a factory silver. I love the combination. Silver is made up of metal flake, and it's all laid out nicely. It's not cloudy or blotchy, and it's got a clear coat finish that's polished super glossy, so it's a sharp-looking paint job. But what's really exceptional is the trim. All this stainless is polished out like chrome. Even the vent window pillars are sparkling. Bow tie mirrors. The SS has the machine-turned trim down the sides and in the back. All of this is redone. All of it. The grille, it has optional bumper guards. It has T3 headlights. That's what they would have come with originally. But the trim really makes this car exceptionally nice. Even the wiper arms are polished. Windshield must be new. It looks crystal clear. 327 came with the cross flags for emblems. It has the metal door edge guards, door handles, the locks. All of this trim is phenomenal. Every piece of it. Rear antenna was something that you ordered special. Again, the emblems, the whole tail panel. The emblem, the tail lights. Tail lights are completely new. From inside the trunk, you can see the housing, the wiring, all that's new. Beautiful. Matter of fact, I'll open it right now. Big giant trunk. It's got new insulation behind the seat. Brand new tire, never been on the ground. Painted rim. The jack assembly's all restored, all bolted down properly. That's a full-size spare. It doesn't even take up any room in here. 3-piece mat. Under here is painted silver. The new weather strip is nice. All new wiring. So super clean trunk. The interior is also outstanding. There's new cushions in the seats, which makes them feel like a new seat. Also makes the upholstery fit right. There's no wrinkles. All one color silver was all replaced at the same time. The door panels, the armrests, the back panels, the seats. It's all mint condition silver upholstery. Under the hood, it has a correct 327, 300 horsepower. So that's got the 4-barrel carb, the double humps on the heads, completely restored to factory condition, the GM hoses and clamps, the spring clamp battery cables, batteries bolted down properly, correct manifolds, correct valve covers, even has the shields around the spark plugs. It has the heat riser tube to the choke with the correct carburetor. It has power steering and power brakes. Those were still options back then. You don't take that for granted. I just love that. Just hear how that sounds. Clean door jambs, new weather strips, new window seals. It has new reproduction floor mats. They're a little dirty because I did drive this home. Retractable deluxe seat belts. All the chrome on the seats are excellent. Yeah, now right here, it comes with some original literature, color charts, some receipts, sales brochures. I have one picture of the car where it shows the whole front clip off the car being restored. And here's the original California registration, and the license plate number is right there, and it matches the California plate on this car right now. It's an SS, so it has the tachometer on the dash. It's an optional padded dash. It's mint. When you're sitting in there looking at the steering wheel, the knobs, the lenses, the gauges, it's mint. It does have an aftermarket retro stereo. It looks just like the original, but it's an aftermarket stereo. The center console, I don't know if they make them new, but it looks brand new. It has the chrome reverse lockout shifter. And in here, the wiper motor, all the components, the distributor, the wires, the steering box, all of it looks excellent. It has the hood insulation. Everything's painted real nice and clean. It has the horns. It's just a really, really exceptional motor compartment, and it just runs real nice. I should have looked at the undercarriage before I came in here. I remember looking at it a few days ago, but I don't know the specifics. So go to the website. You'll see the undercarriage. I write the ad for each car. I'll describe it on our website. Let me start it up for you. In the glove box is the owner's pouch with the owner's manual. Oh, these seats feel great. And I have the key in my pocket. The headliner's new, the visors are new, the mirror's new. It all fits really nice and tight. There's no wrinkles. Go and ask for more than that. It's got a light tint in the glass. You see now that window just rolled right up with no effort. A 3-year-old can roll that window up. And the glass and all the frames around the glass are mint. I was told the car has 36,000 actual miles. I have nothing to verify that, but that's what the guy that sold me the car told me. Even with the windows up, look how nice it's shut. I'm around a lot of cars. That's the stuff that separates the good ones from the exceptional cars. This motor just running flawlessly. Everything fits nice and square. Need a little oil on the trunk hinge. It's got a nice sound. Maybe the 300 horse makes a difference because it sounds a little muscly. I can go on another 10 minutes talking about how great this car is, but I can't. So visit volocars.com. There's plenty of ways on there to contact our staff. This is my impression of the car. I drove it. I've seen it. I've been around it. That's what I think of it. If you have specific questions, feel free to ask. They will help answer any of your concerns about the car, questions about the process, the paperwork, delivery, financing. They'll help with all of that. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video as much as I did, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You will be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.